Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder. And we're going on with the DeLorean build. We're all the way up to stage 108. We put the grills in as you can see here. That's why I've got these bandages on my fingers at the moment. But we're going on with that build. From 109 on, we are going to put some stuff in the compartment in the back here, in the above the engine, in this area here, and I've got it all laid out here, so let's get straight into it. As you can see right in front of you, these are the parts that we have. Let me turn this all the way down. So we've got them more or less like that, and we're going to put some wires around them. There are some holes in here, and we're going to put it into this. I've got the long one here, and the long one goes into the right here. We've got a lug hole and a screw hole, and into that's not staying in, of course not. An AP screw that we're going to put in. Yes. So into the first big hole, and this one is going into the and then we're going to put this one into the hole that you can see right there. So that's that one in. Now we're going to do the second one. That's the smaller one of the two. I don't know in which order they did it, but it doesn't really matter, does it? I twisted that a little bit more so it looks a little bit nicer. So we've got it connected like so, with all those plasters on my fingers. And we're going to put it into the hole that is left. And this shows you why you had to do the small one first. But I'm going to do it. Let's put in that AP and then put everything into it. So we put that A screw back in. Then we are going to put that cable in right here. And then we're going to put it in. And it's coming out all the time. It's hard for me to see, guys. There we go. As you can see, it's neatly in there. That's the first stage, which was hard enough already. Now we're going to get that one out, and we're going to put some stuff on. So we're going to put this little thing on, as you can see there, and it stays out a little bit, as you can see as well. Then on the other side we're putting that silvery thing, and it doesn't matter which way it goes because it's and you push it in all the way. So we're going to put that together like so, and then we are going to put two, and these are screws with a warning because they've been breaking on some people a lot as if they're made from glass, so we need to be very careful. And I'm not having any problems at all. So we're putting this one on as well. And with that bit of oil, I'm not having any problems. That screw is going in like butter. So we're going to get it a little bit closer. So we're going to put this on like so. And we are going to put AP screws in there to keep them in. And then we're going to turn the car around to do the other thing. Stage 109 done. I'm pushing that wheel in. So we're going to use those BPs from the last stage. We've got that wheel. I've not got the valve where I want it. Let's see if I can put that wheel in. You can see that. Yes, you can. And there it is. That wheel's in. I'm okay with how it is. So we can close this up again. No, we can't. We need to put those on. And is there a left and a right on this somewhere? So I know which one goes where. The F1, let's see if that is the long. Oh. They're both the same. There we go, those are in as well, and that is this stage, and these stages done. And I will be doing some more stages, but later on in a different video. I'm gonna make a few shorter videos. There we go, they're in as well. That's the emblem and the little ring for the but that is this stage done for the moment, and hope you enjoy that. I'm gonna make a few shorter clips. That's a little bit nicer to do, and I'm not hurrying for them to be finished. And I need to turn this car around. Well, we've done the in the front. We've done we've put those window wipers in, and we put the cables in the back, and you saw that. But thank you very much. And if you'd like to build this now, Vanhoum is bringing it back after Eagle Moss went bust. But please have a look at mine, and maybe you get some tips. There are some other people that did this as well. So, please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time on any of my other builds. Maybe this one or any of the ones that you see right there. So thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.